We're about 50 feet away. Here's the receiver, and it will tell you whether to go up or down. 360 degrees. There's movement in the foundation. That is about 100 feet away. So I'm going to show you with the receiver over here. As you can see, it does see it. So it tells you exactly where the line is. This is the Dovoh H3 outdoor laser. You get a really nice case with this. Now it doesn't come with a stand. I already have a stand. It is self-leveling. So you just turn this on and you can see we got the level there. You also get a little remote control where you can do the vertical, horizontal, on, off, whatever you need. But this goes all the way around the whole room. The laser goes all the way around. 360 degrees. That is about 100 feet away. I will say that the laser, I do not see it on the wall. I'm going to show you with the receiver over here with my helper. And as you can see, it does see it. So it tells you exactly where the line is. And I can't even see it on there, but the receiver, I mean, this is really insane. We're about 50 feet away, and this can go up to 400 feet. You can see the line there. I'm actually wearing the glasses. As you hit the line, it will tell you whether to go up or down. So at further distances, this is really going to help you figure out where a level is. And this is just on a wall outside.
This laser is so good that I had a structural engineer come to my house for foundation issues. He ended up using this over the one he had. So if you're looking for a laser that you could use outdoors in bright light or even indoors, check out the Dovoh outdoor laser level with receiver.